Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Outlook Mail app. And in today's video, I will show you how to schedule an email for Outlook without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Outlook Mail app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon. Then go ahead and enter the recipient address. Go ahead and enter the subject. Then go ahead and click on here to delete this. And the next thing you want to do is to enter your mail. So once you enter your mail, before you hit on send icon, go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then you can either send a mail tomorrow, next week, or choose a time. Everything depends on you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to choose tomorrow at the same time, scheduling. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.